What's the meaning of bestride? Bestride. Bestride.
Bestride. Bestride. The word bestride is a verb that means to stand or sit with one leg on either side of something. Often used in a literal sense, the word can refer to someone sitting on a horse, bike, or motorcycle. It can also be used figuratively to describe someone who dominates or controls a situation or organization. For example, a powerful CEO may be said to bestride their company. The word has a commanding connotation, suggesting strength and mastery. However, it can also connote arrogance or an overbearing attitude. In literature, bestride is a popular word choice for heroic characters who are portrayed as larger than life.